What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add the WordPress login page or account creation page into your WordPress navigation menu using block themes. So imagine that you have a website and it requires login for some important feature. How to apply the WordPress login page to this navigation menu? WordPress login page is the page that you use to access to enter on your WordPress dashboard, and normally it's your domain.com plus WP admin. How to add this link to your navigation menu? This is what you're gonna learn. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. Review left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over appearance and click into the editor, okay? Once right here, wait while the page loads. Then click into the navigation menu area, just like this. Click again, you're gonna be able to see an option called header and an option to edit. We're gonna click on edit. Click again, and you're gonna be able to see the menu settings, okay? Right here, all you have to do, let me apply some zoom to make it easier to see. All you have to do is click into this plus button. You can search for an URL, or you can add a block, page link, or simple custom link, okay? Type the URL. Then all I have to do right here is find this WP, delete this text, and type login. Just like this, okay? Click on enter. Then click into the page menu. Now into the right sidebar of menus, you're gonna be able to see link, test, and description. Into text, we're gonna change for login, just like this. Here's the link. All we have to do is hit the blue button into the upper right corner of the screen, call it save. And the button is now saved and present into the live website, right here. And you can give some attention to this button, okay? You can, for example, make it bold, in the case that I want. You can, for example, change the color of the button. Change the size. Apply some styles, in the case that I want, to give some more attention to your button, okay? Just like this. Let me just save my changes. All good to go. Then you can keep editing the button in the way that you want, okay? You can apply some arrow in the case that you want. Just like this. And that is simple, easy, and very, very effective. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install, you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org, it's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of your dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.